Hi guys, welcome to my channel. I'm so glad you're here today. I'm sharing with you a very simple DIY that I did. So let's get started. I'm using this wooden photo frame that I picked from 99-cent store. It's $4, and as you can see, the back has the hanging clips, and that's what I'll use to hang it to the wall. I'm going to start by taking off all the other pieces that were on this board, so I'll cut also these threads off. I noticed the back had these nails. I took them out, so I'll be placing them at the lower end of the plaque, simply because they will be balancing it on the wall, so it's not just inclined on the upper part. Now that the back is fixed, I'll be painting it using this metallic spray paint. I took it outside for almost 2 hours. So then I will be using this 12-inch mirror. I think I picked it from Michael's, and I'll be placing it at the center of this plaque. I just used a pencil to mark out where I'll be placing the mirror. Then I noticed the paint was coming off, so I need to seal the paint first. I grabbed my Mod Podge spray, but it was leaving bad marks. So I decided to use this protective finish that I already had around the house, and just grabbed a brush and applied it all around. As I'm painting this, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell so that you're updated every time I have a new upload. Thank you guys. I applied this finish also on the edges of this wooden piece, but then I also grabbed a sponge to help me make a more smooth finish. I left this piece to dry for an hour, and I'll be also using these mirrors. I picked this from Amazon. These are 120 pieces at around $10, and then I also picked the square ones. This is the piece after drying. As you can see, the paint is not coming off, so that's really a good thing. And now I'll be placing back the mirror. I used E6000. Well, don't mind the tube, it still has the glue. And then I'll also be using the hot glue as well to make it more stable. Since I had already marked where to place this mirror, it was a little bit easy to place it back because you don't want the glue all over your piece. The next step is to place these square mirrors around the big mirror. I first arranged them before gluing them, so I know how the arrangement would be and if they would really look nice according to my satisfaction. Now that I knew the mirrors would be enough, I glued them down using just the hot glue, because these mirrors are really light, so they won't really fall off. I had to apply pressure on every mirror that I glued down just to make sure it's all intact and won't fall off. So this is how the piece looks like for now. Now I'll go ahead and line up the round mirrors just in the meeting points of the squares. I'm also going to be using these gems that I already had. I picked them from Walmart. So I'll be gluing the round mirrors, but in the middle I'll be putting the small gem. It's easier this way to just place the mirror first and then you put the gem, because the gem is a little bit smaller and you don't want your glue all over your mirrors. The mirrors already look really nice. I was tempted to stop here, but then I decided to go ahead and add more gems. So I picked the larger gems and then added around the smaller ones. So basically between every round mirror there was a big gem and then 3 other smaller gems around the big gem. With all these pieces, I only used hot glue because they are light enough. You don't need an extra E6000. I put these gems all around the mirror and then I cleaned it up because it had some glue crossing, and so this will create a really neat finish. And remember, we have clips in the back for hanging, so boom, that's it for this piece. It was definitely not complex and not really hard to get around. See, that was really easy to make. I hope you loved it. Please give me a thumbs up and share this video, as well as subscribe to my channel and turn notification bell. One other thing I want to say is I'll be giving an update on all my videos, the DIYs. So in case you want to try them out but you're skeptical, you can know exactly how the pieces are holding up. And in case you have any other questions, just please DM me on my Instagram, Destined Creativity, or you can also email me. The email is attached somewhere in my description box. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you next time. Bye.